Hi, today we're going to be doing a science experiment to see if liquid nitrogen can be dyed with food coloring. I don't know if you can see this or not, but the liquid nitrogen is boiling very rapidly because of its cold temperature versus the outside summer temperature. So let's take some orange food coloring and let's just drop a few drops into the liquid nitrogen. Okay, I put about 6 drops in there. Whoa, did you hear that? That's just from the spoon sizzling in the liquid nitrogen. Well, you can see the frost on the spoon. I'm going to try to show you what's happening. If I can get rid of the frost. I'm going to pour out some of the liquid nitrogen, or all of it maybe. Look how it just dissolves on impact. Now, as you can see, there wasn't any orange color to the liquid nitrogen. And that's because when I dropped the drops into the liquid nitrogen, they immediately froze in tiny balls inside the cup of the super cold liquid nitrogen. Look at that. I mean, isn't that wild? It's just little hard frozen balls of food coloring. That's amazing that liquid can be so cold. And look at the frost that it left on the table from where I poured it out. Look at that. That's part of the food coloring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time.